The night sky is a vast and mysterious expanse, a canvas of twinkling stars and distant galaxies that has fascinated humanity for as long as we have looked up. Each star tells a story, each constellation a legend passed down through generations. It has captivated humanity for millennia, inspiring countless myths, scientific discoveries, and a sense of wonder that transcends cultures and eras. From the ancient astronomers who charted the heavens to modern-day stargazers, the night sky remains a source of endless fascination. Among its many wonders, few are as awe-inspiring as the Aurora Borealis. This natural light display, also known as the Northern Lights, is a phenomenon that has intrigued and mesmerized observers for centuries. Imagine standing beneath a sky ablaze with vibrant colors, where the night is illuminated by swirling patterns of light. The experience is nothing short of magical, a moment where the boundary between reality and fantasy seems to blur. Green curtains of light shimmer and dance, creating a mesmerizing display that feels almost otherworldly. These lights are the result of charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field, a cosmic dance that plays out in our atmosphere. Red and blue hues streak across the darkness, adding to the kaleidoscope of colors that make up this celestial spectacle. Each color tells a story of the different gases in our atmosphere and their reactions to solar winds. This is the Aurora Borealis, a breathtaking spectacle that leaves onlookers spellbound. It is a reminder of the beauty and mystery that exists beyond our everyday lives, a glimpse into the wonders of the universe. The Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights, paints the night sky with ethereal beauty. It is a natural wonder that has inspired countless works of art, literature, and music, capturing the imagination of all who witness it. This celestial display is a testament to the interconnectedness of our solar system. It is a visual representation of the invisible forces that shape our world, a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in the cosmos. It reminds us of the powerful forces at play in the universe, forces that are both beautiful and awe-inspiring. The Aurora Borealis is more than just a light show. It is a symbol of the wonders that await us when we look up and explore the night sky. The aurora's most common color is green. This is due to the interaction of solar particles with oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. The specific shade of green depends on the altitude of this interaction. Higher altitudes produce a red aurora. Blue and purple hues are rarer. They result from interactions with nitrogen. The aurora's colors are vibrant and dynamic. They shift and change as the solar wind interacts with Earth's magnetic field. The result is a breathtaking display of celestial artistry. Each aurora is unique. This adds to its allure. The Aurora Borealis, often referred to as the Northern Lights, is a mesmerizing natural phenomenon that paints the night sky with vibrant colors. This beautiful display is a result of the intricate interplay between the sun and Earth. The sun, our closest star, is a dynamic and powerful entity. It constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. These particles are ejected from the sun's outer layer, the corona, during solar flares and other solar activities. The solar wind travels through the vast expanse of space at incredible speeds, sometimes reaching up to 900 kilometers per second. This journey takes these charged particles across the solar system, including towards our own planet, Earth. As the solar wind approaches Earth, it encounters our planet's magnetic field, also known as the Magnetosphere. This magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron within Earth's outer core. The magnetosphere acts like a protective shield, deflecting most of the solar wind and preventing these charged particles from directly hitting the Earth's surface. This deflection is crucial for maintaining the stability of our atmosphere and protecting life on our planet. However, not all particles are deflected. Some of these charged particles get trapped by the Earth's magnetic field lines, which guide them towards the polar regions. These field lines act like pathways, directing the particles towards the poles where the magnetic field is strongest. As they spiral along these lines, they are funneled towards the upper atmosphere near the polar regions. At the poles, the magnetic field lines converge, creating a concentrated area where these charged particles can interact with the Earth's atmosphere. When these energetic particles collide with atoms and molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, they transfer energy to these atoms, exciting them. This excitation causes the atoms to move to a higher energy state. As the excited atoms return to their normal lower energy state, they release this excess energy in the form of light. This process of releasing light is what creates the stunning visual display we see as the aurora. The light emitted during this process can vary in color, typically ranging from green to pink, and sometimes even red, yellow, blue, and violet. This dazzling light show is what we perceive as the Aurora Borealis, a breathtaking testament to the dynamic relationship between the sun and Earth. Throughout history, cultures around the world have marveled at the aurora. These mesmerizing lights dancing across the night sky have captivated the human imagination for millennia. From the frozen landscapes of the Arctic to the temperate regions of Europe and North America, the Aurora Borealis has been a source of inspiration and wonder. People from diverse backgrounds have gathered to witness this natural phenomenon, often interpreting it through the lens of their own cultural beliefs and traditions. Ancient civilizations often attributed mystical or spiritual significance to these celestial displays. For many, the aurora was more than just a natural occurrence. It was a divine message or a manifestation of the god's presence. Spiritual rituals and ceremonies were often conducted under the shimmering lights, as people sought to connect with the divine and understand the mysteries of the universe. These ancient beliefs have been passed down through generations, shaping the cultural heritage of many communities. In Norse mythology, the Aurora Borealis was believed to be a bridge of light. This ethereal bridge, known as Bifrost, was said to connect the realm of mortals, Midgard, to Asgard, the realm of the gods. The vibrant colors of the aurora were thought to be the shimmering hues of this magical bridge, which was guarded by the god Heimdall. The Bifrost Bridge played a crucial role in the Norse cosmology, symbolizing the connection between the earthly and the divine. This bridge, Bifrost, connected the realm of mortals to Asgard, the realm of the gods. It was believed that only the worthy could cross this bridge, and it was a path taken by the gods themselves. The Aurora Borealis, with its otherworldly beauty, was a constant reminder of this divine connection and the mysteries that lay beyond the mortal world. In Finnish folklore, the aurora was associated with a magical fox. This enchanting creature, known as the foxfires, was believed to create the northern lights with its tail. As the fox ran across the snowy landscape, its tail would brush against the snow, creating sparks that illuminated the sky with vibrant colors. This charming tale reflects the deep connection between the natural world and the mythical in Finnish culture. This fox ran across the snow, its tail creating sparks that illuminated the sky. The story of the magical fox not only explains the natural phenomenon of the Aurora Borealis, but also highlights the creativity and imagination of the Finnish people. It is a testament to how humans have always sought to understand and explain the wonders of the natural world through storytelling and myth-making. These myths and legends reflect the deep sense of wonder and awe that the aurora has inspired for centuries. From the ancient Norse and Finnish tales to the spiritual beliefs of indigenous peoples, the Aurora Borealis has been a source of fascination and reverence. Even today, people continue to be mesmerized by this natural spectacle, gathering in awe to witness the breathtaking display of lights. The Aurora Borealis remains a powerful reminder of the beauty and mystery of our world, connecting us to the past and inspiring future generations. Section 5. Unveiling the Mysteries of Auroras. The scientific study of auroras began in the 17th century. Early astronomers and natural philosophers observed and documented auroral displays. However, it wasn't until the 20th century that significant progress was made in understanding the underlying physics. Norwegian scientist Christian Birkeland conducted groundbreaking experiments. He demonstrated the connection between the aurora and electric currents in the atmosphere. His work laid the foundation for modern auroral research. Section 6. Different forms of aurora. The Aurora Borealis can take on a variety of forms. The most common are arcs, bands, and curtains. Arcs appear as simple, glowing arcs of light across the sky. Bands are elongated, ribbon-like structures. Curtains are the most dramatic form, resembling giant curtains of light shimmering in the wind. Other forms include rays, patches, and coronas. Rays are beams of light that shoot up from the horizon. Patches are isolated regions of auroral activity. Coronas are spectacular displays where the aurora appears to converge overhead. Witnessing the Aurora Borealis is a truly unforgettable experience. For those seeking to witness this natural wonder, there are several prime locations around the world. High-latitude regions near the Arctic Circle offer the best chances of seeing the aurora. These include Alaska, Canada, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Finland. The best time to see the aurora is during the winter months. This is when the nights are long and dark. Clear skies, away from light pollution, are essential for optimal viewing. Websites and apps provide aurora forecasts, helping enthusiasts plan their trips. NASA plays a crucial role in auroral research. Satellites like the THEMIS, which stands for Time History of Events and Macro-Scale Interactions during Substorms, mission, and the MMS, or Magnetospheric Multiscale Mission, provide valuable data. They study the interaction between the solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. These missions help scientists understand the fundamental processes that drive auroral displays. They also contribute to our understanding of space weather and its impact on satellites and communication systems. Section 9. Protecting the night sky. Light pollution poses a significant threat to our ability to appreciate the wonders of the night sky. Excessive artificial light from cities and towns obscures the stars and makes it difficult to see the aurora. By reducing light pollution, we can preserve the beauty of the night sky for future generations. Supporting dark sky initiatives, using energy-efficient lighting, and advocating for responsible outdoor lighting policies are crucial steps in mitigating light pollution and safeguarding our celestial heritage. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on the wonders of the night sky.